The process of programming a part to be cut on a CNC machine is simple and complex at the same time. MASTERCAM makes it easy for anyone to get in and create toolpaths, but first we need to understand the process and how it all works. The first thing we need to do is to tell MASTERCAM what machine we want to use. This information will dictate things like how many axes your machine has and what specific G-code formatting it wants to see. With the machine selected, we can now specify things like raw stock we're working with in the coordinate system so that MASTERCAM knows specifics about where 0 is in the direction the tool's coming from. With the basics of the digital machining environment and starting point set, we can now let MASTERCAM know what tools it has available and what toolpaths we want to use to cut our part. After the toolpaths are created, we can then validate them digitally before outputting the G-code to a CNC machine, and this is going to be formatted so that specific machine can use it. Now, of course, there are many variations, but these are the general steps to creating a program digitally and taking it to a physical machine. Now, let's walk through the process and get started programming our own parts.